Hello, welcome to Prepared Feedback Part 1. Once you've set up your application, you can use it to prepare your feedback. The more time you spend setting up your application, the more time you will save. Feedback is prepared using smart design sentences as well as an add text feature to make your feedback unique. These features allow your feedback to not look like a copy and paste scenario, which parents do not want. Please remember, once you've loaded all your information in study unit, regular students, and design sentences, you never have to go back to them unless you want to edit or add additional information. So let's get started. Click on the button that says Prepared Feedback. This page is where you load details of your student and the lesson you have taught. My student's name is Tina. Tina is a regular student of mine and I have loaded her details under regular students. Click on the down arrow key next to student file. Look for her name, highlight it, click, and it will be added into student name, and her gender has been added as well. If you have a new student that you don't think you're going to teach again, you do not need to go to student file. You can just type in the student's name and choose the gender. Remember, gender is very important if you have created design sentences that contain masculine and feminine words. Information about the lesson. Click on the down arrow key next to study unit and choose the study unit that you taught. Now, which unit or module or chapter did you teach? I taught Unit 1 of Starter Level 1. Click on the down arrow key next to module and click on Unit 1. As you can see, the keywords automatically populate next to the word keywords. Click the next button. This is the instruction page. This is here for your convenience when you need help and guidance. Please watch part 2 of how to prepare a feedback. Thank you, Eezi Feedback, making feedback easy.